Community colleges are key to the strength of the middle class in this country. And we're at a time where high school diploma is no longer the goal to get a decent job. We are the most affordable on-ramp to help students achieve that middle class lifestyle. But our ask is we're trying to save the middle class of America. We're trying to put people into good paying jobs. Even $100 can help a student stay on the path to that post-secondary credential if their car breaks down and they don't have the dollars to fix that car to keep them coming back. Students have emergencies, and often not just one. And these emergencies are usually under $300, some under $100. And if we can kind of take care of that one emergency or that two, or maybe the three during that college career, it makes the difference. It keeps people on the path to continue and to graduate. So.